In this video, we'll show you how to add a currency switcher in LangShop to your Shopify store. From your LangShop admin, open LangShop Settings, Currencies section. Under Currencies title, open Switchers. This place gives you access to customize recommendation banners, language, and currency selectors. You may also preview how the button will display on different devices like mobile and desktop. However, you cannot preview conversion rates in this window as you're only previewing the currency button position and its style. On the left sidebar menu, find the currency selector box and click Add. By default, the currency switcher will appear on your bottom right, and if you would like to change the position of the switcher, find the Advanced tab, select your position. There are 4 standard variants you may place your button to, which are bottom right, bottom left, top right, top left. If you want to place a currency button to a custom spot in your store, you need to select Relative Position, use Currency Selector snippet that you can find at the bottom of the switcher settings, copy the snippet, and place it to the right template in the theme code. In our next videos, we're going to show you how to use selector snippets and place the buttons to the header or footer of your store. There are 3 main tabs you can customize to. In the Content tab, you can name the switcher, display icons or titles, change the flag icon type, use currencies, flags, or symbols, display currency full name, or currency shortcode. With the Style tab, you can choose the color, font, and size for your currency button. And in the Advanced tab, you can change the position of the switcher, define the offset position, manage the visibility of switchers on different devices like mobile, tablet, and desktop. You may add different switchers for different devices, and if you decide to create separate currency buttons for desktop, for example, make sure to hide buttons on mobile and tablet by unchecking the visibility box. Let's check the currency switcher in my Shopify store. I'll check the conversion rates, then I will add the product in another currency to my cart, and after I proceed to the checkout. The conversion rates were great, so I'll add this comic book to my cart in Euro, and I'll proceed to checkout. The currency for this product has changed back to the US dollar, which you might notice is my store currency. Unfortunately, LangShop does not have the possibility for merchants to enable LangShop currencies at the checkout. Shopify managed the checkout page and display the default currency you set in Shopify settings. However, there is a way out of this situation. Shopify offers multi-currency checkout for a list of countries where you can use Shopify payments and offer customers to pay in local currencies. I'll leave the information in the description down below. And if you decide to turn on Shopify payments, LangShop currency button will be 100% compatible with this feature. The app will display all currencies that you add, plus you can enable automatic redirection in the app based on user's IP address. We hope you can create the same buttons for your Shopify stores with the help of LangShop. If you still have questions how to add a currency switcher, comment down below, visit our live chat, give us a call, or write an email. Thanks for watching.